This is going to be a quick video to show everyone how I use the Mylar bags. I stick my finger down in the middle and open it up and hold it pinched on the side like this so that I have a good round space enough if I'm doing a body butter. I use these little spatulas that I got super cheap on Amazon, and I used to send them with all of my sample packets so that they could have a good idea of what a pea size amount is, but I haven't really been sending those lately. And I usually send about that much, and I'm just carefully I try to only get the body butter on one side of the spatula so that I can stick straight down and try not to touch the sides, because if this part here that you're going to seal with heat, you want it to stay clean. Make sure you can see that. And then I take and I squeeze real tight and pull this out so that all the product stays in the bottom of the bag. Some of it will still come out. I clean off the end and then carefully press the rest of the product down in the bag. And then I just take my flat iron, which mine gets really hot, and I think I probably have it on the highest setting. I do. I love these. They don't normally draw up that much, but it's because I had this one on too hot. I think I had it on 450 degrees. But once it's sealed, yeah, these are good. They're good to go. So that is how I get the fresh creamy milk in there. And I also like to use, stole this from my mom's house when I was home over Christmas. Just like a butter knife. It's perfect to do the same thing with, so you don't have to have these. I just keep one. I'm almost out of this fresh creamy milk, and I just keep one in each body butter or body scrub. The body polish is a little bit different because you can't scoop it. So I just do the same thing. I'll hold it open as much as I can. And then I carefully, slowly let it drop straight down in the bag. I don't know if you can see this or not. I want them to have enough to at least, depends on what I'm sending it for. If I'm sending it for a mini manicure, they don't need a whole lot at all. But usually that's probably the perfect amount for a manicure. If I'm sending it for a mini pedicure, I would probably send a little bit more than that. And then I just seal it off. There's always a sizzle and a little bit of steam from the heat, but that's it. It's easy peasy. And you can make like these 9-ounce body polish, like there's no telling how many I could make of these out of this one bottle. It's crazy. So you could probably get, I would say, at least 60 if not 80 or 100 samples out of one bottle. Whereas, you know, how much are we going to pay for portal samples? So this, to me, they don't, a lot of the portal samples have way too much product in them, and I think, like, especially Prize on the Eyes, like that one packet would probably last me all month. Like, that's crazy. So I am able to fit more samples in a sample package by doing my own like this. This is the 5 centimeter by 7 centimeter bag. These I got on Amazon. I'm not positive the size, but I can post the link. And I have my Snarky bar in this one. I did try to put a chunk sample in these and they won't open up wide enough for you to fit it in there. And this one is actually a little bit wider than I would normally make them. But definitely, I think the wish link that I posted, it gives you 3 different sizes. So if you go with the middle size, it's going to be equivalent to this pink pack. It's going to be way cheaper than the ones on Amazon, I'm pretty sure. And I think that is all I was going to post, but just be sure and try to keep the inside of the heat seal bag clean. And sometimes you can just keep it open, and if it gets a little dirty, you can take a like a napkin or something and clean it off and then seal it with your straightener. I hope this helps.